Hey everyone, it's Tom here. Good to have you back on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at session 23 of the Partner with Anthony program. So if you're looking for a Partner with Anthony review, you've definitely come to the right place. You'll come to realize that the Partner with Anthony program is a course or a program that will teach you all the relevant skills for internet marketing. Obviously, you know, affiliate marketing and email marketing and there's tons and tons of other ways to basically make money online, and this course shows it to you in spades. But today we're going to be looking at session 23, which is a continuation of session 22, which was all about the Udemy solo ad platform or website. Now, in session 23, it's actually it's quite good because you get to set up, or you get shown how to set up creating your own Udemy seller account, which obviously means that once you do that, you can start selling traffic. So, obviously you can start making money, and trust me guys, in a short period of time, these guys can make thousands upon thousands of dollars every single month. So you're going to discover how to do that, and it's very basic. Again, everything seems to be overwhelming at the start of the course, but we are more than 2/3 of the way through now, so you kind of have a confident mindset, and you're confident in your ability as to what you can do. And I found, the closer I got to the end of the course, I wanted the course to keep going, which I guess is a good thing, because I was learning and implementing so much. I just didn't want that to stop. And if you're watching this video and you're not in the program, and if you're interested in learning more about the Partner with Anthony program, there's a link in the description that will take you to a free training video. By all means, check it out. All the links in the description are there for you. They are there to help you out. Also, it's completely free too, the training video. Also, the ebook download, completely free. Gives you a bit of a guide on what to do, or as to how to plan out becoming an online entrepreneur. There are tons of ways. This was just a bit of an idea that I had, and I just figured I'd throw it out there just for people if they wanted to benefit from it. And again, I have to say that I do understand your frustration with trying to make money online in 2020, and I do understand where you're coming from, and I just want to say again, like I've said in the previous videos, that with this program, you don't need to have a ton of time, okay? You don't need a ton of money, you don't need a ton of effort, and you definitely do not need to be a technical guru at any cost. In my opinion, all you need is just a little bit of want. you know, just that want to want to learn, to want to progress forward, to discover all the whole new world that this Partner with Anthony program will let you discover. That, man, there's a whole new world out there as far as the internet is concerned. There is a ton of ways that you can make money on the internet, and this would have to be, in my opinion, one of the most ethical ways of making money, honest ways of making money, and good money at that. You can make really good money doing this. But like any business, it's only as good as the time and effort you put in. Now, I know I said you don't need a lot of time, and you don't, and I know I said you don't need a lot of effort, but you don't. But the time and effort that you put in needs to be, in my opinion, short, sharp, laser focused attention on what you're doing to get the result, and then move to the next step, whatever that is. You know, whether it's writing that email that you're just going to take an extra 5 or 10 minutes to do, to make sure that the copy is dead set bang on the money, or if anything, just the subject line, the body, everything, you want it to be absolutely right, instead of just blurting out something and going, that'll do. Well, I'm here to tell you that will do, will not do. I've been there, I've done it. Remember, in a previous video I said that put in your emails as if you were talking directly to that person. That's the best advice that I can give. And when you do it that way, it becomes you, not Anthony, not me talking, not Anthony talking. It becomes you talking to the person you're trying to sell, or, you know, whatever it is you're doing. There's also, in session 23, there's also a technique that Anthony will show you, and it's fantastic. It's a technique on how to get a much better ROI, or return on investment. And obviously he's talking about return on investment within your solo ads. You need to, I had to watch it a couple of times because I kind of just was breezing through, and then at the end of the session I kind of thought, oh man, I need to really go back and you know, hammer out exactly what it is that he was showing us, or showing me, so I don't waste time and money in making mistakes, then going back and getting into a panic about, I've done something wrong. So this technique, watch it a couple of times, get it down, implement it into your business, and you will not look back as far as the solo ads are concerned. Also, Anthony will every now and then just throw in a student to give you a look at, and it's called Student Spotlight. So the spotlight will go onto a particular student that has had some form of success, and don't worry, like he doesn't put on a student that's just earned $100,000 in a month, or $20,000 in a day or a week, or anything like that. He puts real world results up there and shows you the student and the way that they did something, just to give you encouragement, to show you that it works. And I'm living proof that it does work. Again, I've had success throughout the program. Now, a lot of people have this mindset that, oh yeah, but that's them and that's not me. Guys, like I said in the previous video, well actually I think it was in the session 21 video, you've made it this far, you are way above average. You are way above the average person just by getting this far. So just keep pushing through, just keep taking those little steps. You are so close to the end of the program that you can see it, you can touch it, you can smell it. And then, yeah, there's still a few dynamite, absolute dynamite sessions to come up, and it's something that you can always look back on. I still do it now. I will be thinking about something and I'll bring up the program and I'll go through and just refresh, because I find if you don't do something all the time, you tend to drop off, in other areas. And if you get hooked into your ClickFunnels and you become a really competent person with doing your opt-in pages, and you might, who knows, you might outsource your service to businesses and create pages for businesses, and earn a really good income through things like that, because you're so good at doing a sales page or an opt-in page and a thank you page and creating funnels for local businesses. That is a really viable, well-paying business proposition right there. And by doing that, you might lose a bit of focus on, your emailing technique or your tracking link setup technique. So the course is always there for you to go back and refresh, and you only have to do it once, then it all comes back and you're like, okay, off I go, and you're up and running again. So with that said, that's basically it for session 23, and I will see you in session 24. Can't talk again. It's another really cool session, and remember guys, just keep taking those tiny little steps forward, and please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and you will not miss any of these videos. It will help me out a whole heap if you subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. And remember to check out all the links in the description, because they are there to help you. I will be adding to them as the channel hopefully grows and I'll get more subscribers. So check it all out. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in session 24. And remember, have a good day. And I've got a little motto that I am going to leave with everybody. Live a life worth loving. Okay guys, remember that. And until I see you next time, take care and bye for now. Bye.